tell us about like the gap that you saw in the market. As you guys were creating your product and developing.
You mean the gap for on which specific area?
In terms of like the like gap that you guys saw like when it came to portfolio management systems.
Yeah, I would say there are several dimensions to digging this topic. If we, let's say from the very beginning, if today, Mike, you are a crypto guy, or you're from traditional, you new to the crypto, and for example, you do quant. Today, yes, you have one token, but if we're talking about like 3 years, 4 years ago, what you have is exchange. You can see your position on exchange, uh, and nothing. So you only have like traditional this software to support you to do this like, asset management strategy. So I would say on the infrastructure part, the biggest one is that for example for allocator, they need a tool to help them to track, to analysis their their portfolio, their
Mhm.
investment. So I would say that's in my understanding for software things, that's a big gap.
Mhm.
And for strategy wise, I would say to be honest, every strategy today in crypto, you see like for example like a funding rate, like CTA, um, like long short, um, what else? Even DeFi yield farming, you can see that's totally the same in traditional. I mean, we like today, of course, funding rates is definitely like the base of the market. If you're talking about like 10 team, they're doing strategy. I would say seven of them or even eight of them, they would say, okay, we have funding fee strategy. And in the funding fee, if you're talking about, for example, crypto markets, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, before BitMEX, they have their perpetual swap. There are also many guys doing like a future spot arbitrage. I mean, the key, the essence is the same. No
Mhm.
matter it's a perpetual swap arbitrage, future or spot arbitrage, the essence is the same, and it's very popular, very in traditional. They also have this kind of strategy. So I would say on a strategy wise, the the gap is that for traditional guy, they go to this market, they need to figure out, okay, what's the venue? Where is the trading team? And in crypto, what's something special, especially like in the risk management? For example, how to what's their view for the counterparty risk? I mean, in traditional, if you're working with CME, you don't need to care about like 1.5 billion hack, right? So
Right.
uh I mean hopefully it's really really awesome. By the way, it's really awesome they survive it. But what I want
That
to say,
is, yeah,
yeah, what I want to say is
props to
that
Bybit.
yeah, right. Amazing. I mean, very impressive. So they care about counterparty risk. They care about some like special or specific crypto native like surprise. For example, you do arbitrage on two exchange, and you want to, one is like long, one is short. So sometimes you need to move money from this place to that place to ensure that you have enough like the margin, you don't get the margin callings and stuff. But
Yeah.
in traditional, you don't need to care about the latency to
Mhm.
transfer.